Hi, we are from Group Safety Buddies with our project name Traffic Barrier. Alright, well, here is our group members with our respective position, and without further delay, let's start.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Anis, the head of department. Today, my team and I would like to propose a project for you to consider, which is the traffic barrier. Before that, did you know how critical the red light running in Malaysia? The red light running is too common in our country and has led to many deaths. In fact, last year, Jabatan Siasatan dan Penguatkuasaan Trafik Bukit Aman has reported nearly 70,000 cases related to fine due to the red light running. So, we decided to build the traffic barriers between the traffic lights, especially at the busy roads, in order to mitigate the red light running in Malaysia. For the budget proposal, I will pass the presentation to the finance department. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So now I will present about the project cost. As you can see here, this is the comparison and estimated cost of traffic barrier per lane. From our research, there are few countries that have implemented the flexible barrier, which is the first one, Norway, and the second one, New Zealand. So the total cost of Norway is 23,023 AUD dollar, which is included the maintenance cost. This is per meter. And then we have New Zealand, which is $150 per meter. And then for Malaysia, we have come out with the estimated cost referring to the Norway and New Zealand cost, which is 4,033 ringgit Malaysia for per lane. Per lane is 3.1 meter. And then we have come out with the additional cost for our innovation, which is the first one, fully automatic up-down, 1,600 ringgit, installation of countdown traffic light, 1,500 ringgit, sensor, 1,000, advertising cost, 2,000, and then lastly, our project total estimated cost is 10,130 ringgit Malaysia. So now I will pass to the next member.
Hi, let's move on to the next section of this project. Why do we need to implement this project? So here are some news articles that I gained from the local newspaper related to the tragedies in traffic lights where the riders don't stop at red light. So how can we fix this problem? So our team proposed to install a traffic barrier. So this is proven in the Norway where they install a traffic barrier and reduces the accidents. So how to improve the road safety in the future? First, it will reduce accident. By having the traffic barriers, it will reduce accident, and by controlling the drivers to stop when the traffic light turns to orange. And then it creates this society awareness where they will follow the rules and regulation strictly. And it increases the strict road safety by the government. When there are strict road safety, the penalties will be given to the offenders. And lastly, it is emergency friendly. For example, ambulance or police officer, they can lower down the barrier when there is an emergency case. Thank you. That's all from me.
Now I'm going to talk about how we're going to commercial our product. Overall, we are planning to go for commercial advertising. First, we're going to do a public service announcement on television station. We are targeting around 1,000 ringgit per minute to spread the awareness about our product to all television stations. Second, we're going to do announcement in radio station. There are overall of 20 radio stations, and we hope by doing so, everyone will alert about our product. And the last one, by doing awareness through our social media. We're going to promote about our product and also using the collaborated social media to promote our product to create awareness to all Malaysians. Now we are at the part of innovation and uniqueness. First, our traffic barrier have the emergency vehicle priority, whereby we have provided remote control to specific body such as hospital and also police station to control the barrier. We also provide a push button at the traffic light lamp for the vehicle users during emergency. Next, we also provide automatic up and down sensor, whereby it can detect the presence of the vehicles in the duration of 1 meter and it will not harm any vehicle users. The last one, we also have the space free for our product because the product doesn't need any space and it being buried under the road. So that's all for my part. I will pass to the next presenter.
Farah from the strategic Partnership Department. Okay, in terms of this project, we'll be collaborating with Majlis Keselamatan Jalan Raya and Jabatan Kerja Raya in terms of the construction and maintenance of this project. We'll also be working together with the PDRM and Jabatan Siasatan dan Penguasaan Trafik in terms of the compliance and rule and regulation as so that the road user are aware of the penalties involved if they not comply with the rules. We'll also be working together with the Ministry of Higher Education and Jabatan Pengangkutan Jalan in terms of implementation this project to the younger generation. In terms of collecting data, we're working close together with Miros in terms of collecting the data for the pro and cons of this project. Well, that's all from our group and we hope that Shell will consider implementing our traffic barrier project. Thank you.